In this video, I'm going to show you a market structure shift that is coming on the chart right now on Bitcoin right here 1 day and also on Ethereum. As you can see right here, the market has gained a little bit of strength to the upside right here from the past 3 days. Market moved from this very point of $56,700 into where it is right now of 63K. And the same thing on Ethereum. Market has gained a little momentum compared to what we are seeing on BTC. So market is still going to move upward. I'm going to talk about this in this very video. So watch this video till the very end. Support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. Right here on the Bitcoin chart, if you look at this, I told you in my last video that the market is coming back down. Okay, market move down. We have this field swing. We have this impulse, create a new low. Market come back to the upside right here for a retracement, and the market come back down, create a new low. Right now, market is moving upward. So we can only say that there is a market structure shift once we see the market break this very level of resistance right here. So until we break this level of resistance, which the market is approaching it little, then we can then say that the market is going to move to the upside. It is only then that I would then consider the market not coming back into this very level. So we can only say that there is a market structure shift when the market move upward and break this very level of important resistance right here. Okay, so if the market go below this or stay below this, then the possibility of market coming into this very area of 52 and 50k dollars that I've been talking about is very possible. But if the market move upward and create a new high, just like this way, market move upward and create a new higher than this very one, then it means that there is a shift in the market and the market is going to move upward. It is only then that I will consider the market not to come back into this very level anymore. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now on this very BTC USDT 1 day chart. So right now I am expecting the market to move upward. Okay, market should have this progressive move to the upside, and once we see that breakout of this resistance, then expect the market to continue upward and there is a market structure shift. Market is not going to come back into this area anymore. Now if you come back to the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour chart is very important right here. You see the market has been moving upward. Okay, now we are in this very level, which is also a supply zone. What I am expecting right here is for the market to react a little bit, and that reaction can be in two ways. Markets have capacity to react and form a consolidation within this very zone, or market is going to react and have a little retracement to the downside before continuation upward. So if you consider this very point right here of resistance, which is on the 4-hour chart, you discover that the market is already here right now. So what you should expect from this very market is the market consolidating at this very point, and then a breakout is going to move the market to the upside. Another possibility right here is for the market to retrace back down before the next movement upward. So in either case, the point is market is still going to move to the upside on this very chart, but we need to see that very pause. That pause can come in form of a consolidation at this very point before the next move to the upside, or it can come in form of a retracement to the downside before the same continuation to the upside, in line with what we see on the 1 day chart. So this 4-hour chart is very, very important. Now at this very point, if the market break this very area, we can't say that there is a market structure shift on the 4-hour chart until we break this very level of resistance right here. Okay, that is why I am still expecting that the market retrace and move to the upside. So once we break this very level of resistance right here, we can now say that the market structure have shifted from the downside to the upside, because if you look at this very chart critically, it is covered that the market right here have been coming back to the downside. So from this very point, we see the market move downward, and then we have retracement, field swing, market create a new low, we have retracement, market come back down, and right now market is moving upward. So for us to see there is a market structure shift on this very chart, we need to see the market break out on this level of important resistance right at this very point. So this very area is where we can say that the market structure have shifted. Until that happen, the market is still in a downtrend below this very point of resistance. And what I am expecting, like I said, is for the market to either consolidate at this very point right here before the next move to the upside, or we want to see the market retrace back down a little bit and then look for a buy or long opportunity on futures for the market to move to the upside. These are the possibility that is very, very important on the chart right now, and that is what I am expecting from this very chart according to this technical analysis. On the ETH 1-day chart right here, if you look at it, my immediate last video, I made mention of two very important levels that I am expecting this very move to pause, okay? And the first one is this very area which the market come into slightly close to this very level, and this very level of support right at this very area. So these two levels is very important, and right now market is at this very point. Now if you look at the market structure, the market move downward, and then we have a field swing which is a retracement, and the market move impulsive move, and then we have retracement right here, market move an impulse. Okay, so this is an impulse. Why? Because we see a new low at this very point, lower than the previous low at this very area. Although the impulse was very, very short right at this very point compared to what we see right at this very area. So this means that for us to say there is a market structure shift on the ETH chart, we have to see the market move above this very level of important resistance right here. So until we see the market move upward, that is from where the market is right now on the 1-day chart, until we see the market move from here upward and break this level of resistance, then we are not going to say that there is a market structure shift in the market. And once we see this market structure shift, that means once the market move upward and break this level of resistance, then I am not longer looking at the market coming back down into this very level of support. I am not looking at that anymore, because I am then looking at the market moving upward because of this market structure that has been broken. So once we see this breakout, it means that market is going to move to the upside. And that is what you need to pay attention to right now, because in the next coming days, I am also expecting that the market move upward from where it is right now. Market should move from this very price level of $3,100 to the upside. I am expecting a bullish move on ETH, and if that happens and break above this level of resistance, then there is a market structure shift. Market is going to move to the upside, and there is no need looking at the market coming back to the downside up to this very area of $2,100 that I was expecting the market to go down into before. Okay, so this is what I am expecting, and this is what you need to pay attention to on the ETH USDT 1-day chart. Now if you switch focus back to the 4-hour chart right at this very point, it is covered that the market right here is moving upward a little bit. What I am expecting, because this is a retracement of this very impulsive move, I am expecting that on the immediate short term, since this is an impulsive move, markets have capacity retracing. Market should come back to the downside and have a fail swing, pointing to the fact that the market is no longer going to come back to the downside before we can have the market move to the upside. So pay attention to market coming back down on the 4-hour chart first, maybe into this very level of important support. Then from here, market is going to move to the upside for an impulsive move on the ETH for AJA. This is very important. So this is what you need to pay attention to on these various charts right now. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other Bitcoin and crypto videos and technical analysis. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.